Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the Windows Subsystem for Android app is not working or opening properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Settings, Best Match, should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select Apps. And then on the right side underneath installed apps, go ahead and left click on that. And you want to search for the Windows Subsystem. And one of the best matches should come back with Windows Subsystem for Linux. Select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down. Underneath Reset, if the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. And if you're still having a problem, you can select the second option here. If the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And then hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.